This tutorial was going to be about a mesh deform modifier, but the modifier is no longer working on my computer. I was able to create this mesh by using the modifier, and it was working on my practice run prior to recording this video for the first time. But if I try to make the same mesh now, it's not working, and computer reboot didn't work either. A similar issue had occurred to me in the past with another feature, and I had to reinstall my Blender to fix the issue. I'll show you how I made this mesh by using the mesh deform modifier, and show you the lattice method instead. If I had a default cube and a cylinder, I would need to select the cylinder, add the modifier, and use the cube. The mesh deform modifier will allow us to change the shape of the cylinder by editing the cube. But for some reason, this modifier is not working on my PC anymore. It might work on your PC, so please try it. What is so strange is the fact that it was working perfectly, until I subdivided the cube after binding it to the cylinder. Then the entire mechanism broke down, and refused to function even when I create new document, nor when I reboot my PC. If a feature in Blender suddenly stops working, or continue to be broken, please uninstall and reinstall Blender. If the uninstall and reinstall method fails, please find and remove the Blender profile files and remove them in order to fresh install again. Let's add Lattice and modify it like this. As far as I know, the lattice will not break down. Please remember the lattice will only work in edit mode. This is how we use lattice in Blender. That mesh used to be a cylinder, so imagine the possibilities of how you could edit your sophisticated abstract meshes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.